Nishikant Dubey saying that Mahua Moitra has accepted her mistake in the High Court. So he claims that in the proceedings today in the court, Mahua Moitra, the TMC MP, has accepted her mistake, and this happened in the court. In fact, that's a tweet that has come in from him. He has posted on social media X. Swati is joining us with the details.
Absolutely, Pratibha. He in fact has tweeted about today's developments. The tweet is in Hindi. Let me quickly read it out for our viewers. आज महुआ जी, in the bracket it says, आरोपी भ्रष्टाचारी सांसद ने दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में अपनी गलती मानकर सारे मीडिया के ऊपर केस को वापस लेने का गुहार हाई कोर्ट से किया। अब वे केवल मेरे लोकसभा अध्यक्ष को भ्रष्टाचार का पत्र लिखने पर और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के वकील विसिल ब्लोअर जय देहाद राय जी पर केस चलाना चाहती हैं। यू टर्न कहूं या डर, अगली सुनवाई 5 दिसंबर को। So Mr. Nishikant Dubey is saying that this is a U-turn on part of Mahua Moitra. She wants case withdrawn against the media organizations, and she now wants to proceed only with the defamation case against him and Mr. Dehad Rai. So he is saying, is this U-turn an indication that she's scared?
Let's also speak about what's going to happen in the case. While these are the developments from the court, 2 days later, Mahua Moitra has also been called to record her statement before the Ethics Committee of the Parliament. More uncomfortable facts have also now emerged that are curing pitch for the TMC MP that she needs to answer. In fact, in the suit that has been filed in the Delhi High Court, Mahua Moitra claimed on affidavit that all the charges against her are false, frivolous as well as baseless, and she even denied that she shared her MP login and credentials. So this is what she had said. These are the statements that she herself had said. She even, in fact, denied that she shared her MP login and credentials with the businessman Darshan Hiranandani. Just days later, in various media interviews, she admitted to having shared her login, but agreed and argued that this is common practice, that many others also do it. Now, Times Now has accessed pictures of items belonging to Mahua Moitra, which have been submitted before the Ethics Committee. Items about which questions have been raised. This is what we're playing out for you, the details that have come in of what are the luxury gifts that are under the scanner. Here you have it, the details. 4 phones that have now come under the scanner. These details have come in of the phones that are being looked at by the Ethics Committee. So question being, whose phones are these? When were these purchased? And if they were not bought, then who gifted them? What is the brand and model? Why were these gifted to her? Apart from that, now these were the questions of the phones. Apart from that, there are some luxury sunglasses also that the Ethics Committee will be looking at. So the questions that will be posed to Mahua Moitra being, who gifted these sunglasses? If these were bought by her, can she submit the receipt for the same? And again, what brands are these sunglasses? If they were gifted to her, why was it gifted? What was the reason for it? Now, apart from that, several questions that Mahua Moitra will have to answer is, can she identify the watch's brand and the model? What is the price of the watch? So her watch is also now under the scanner. What is it that she was gifted? If she was gifted, again, what was the reason for this gift? And if she has purchased it herself, then does she have the receipt for it or not? And these questions, again, will be asked of Mahua Moitra on the claim that has been made, on the complaint that has been filed against her, that she had allegedly received these gifts in order to raise questions on the Adani group of companies. Now, her claim on Darshan Hiranandani's affidavit has also fallen flat. In fact, Times Now has also accessed the businessman's affidavit that found that the affidavit was signed by him and notarized as well. The ME has made it clear that the affidavit has been signed voluntarily and is being submitted to the consulate officials in Dubai by Darshan Hiranandani. And this is very, very important. This is the affidavit that has been submitted by him to the consulate in Dubai, and it very clearly says here his name. It has been signed by him as well here, so he has submitted it in person at the consulate, which calls out the claim that Mahua Moitra had claimed. This document, as you're seeing here, has been signed on the 20th of October by Darshan Hiranandani. Speaking to Times Now, he had also confirmed the same. Apart from that, he had also, of course, Times Now has accessed this affidavit that very clearly says that he had submitted it. Listen in to Darshan Hiranandani's interview with Times Network's Navika Kumar, where he said that yes, he had filed the affidavit.
She had raised questions about your affidavit. First, she raised the question about the fact that it was on plain paper. Since then, of course, it's been notarized. She's also made some allegations about how this affidavit has been signed and written by you under duress. I want to ask you, Mr. Darshan Hiranandani, Have you given this affidavit under duress?
Navika, the affidavit is signed by me voluntarily, no fear, no favor. Testimony of that is that I had it notarized at the Indian consulate in Dubai.
So you're saying Mahua Moitra is wrong when she says that this was an affidavit which was drafted in the Prime Minister's office and sent to you, and you were given 20 minutes with a gun to your head to sign it?
Navika, I can only say that this was clearly drafted by my lawyers based on my statement. Since I'm in Dubai, I had it notarized in the Indian consulate in Dubai. Then I sent it to the Privilege Committee of Lok Sabha and copied to CBI and Dr. Nishikant Dubey by email.